Some students just have everything together. They earn awesome grades, but they're also successful on other fronts. Opportunities always seem to find them, and they're always prepared for what's coming next. Watch this video about habits of highly successful students. 1. Motivate yourself. If you are not satisfied with your grades, do not get down on yourself, try self-motivation instead. Believe in yourself and encourage yourself to stay focused on your work. Pick a goal or series of goals, and use that as your motivation. 2. Listen and participate in class. It may be hard, especially if you have a shy personality, but participation will show your teacher that you do really care about their subject and want better grades. Teachers typically base the grades on various factors, and participation is one of them. If you are shy, for more confidence you can write down the questions before the class and then ask them. Another trick is to have a seat closer to the teacher, so they can get to know you even more. 3. Take thorough notes during a class. This will ensure that you do not miss any important information. Note-taking is an important skill that can translate to better grades in college as well. 4. Do not hesitate to ask for help. If you are experiencing problems with certain subjects, you can always ask your teacher or peers for help after the class. Another option is to ask your parents if they can afford a private tutor for you. 5. Stay focused during your homework. Find a quiet working place to handle your homework in a distraction-free environment. Put your phone aside or at least mute all notification sounds so you are not distracted. 6. Take a 15-minute break after each 45 minutes of studying. Walk around your house. Get some fresh air, think of how to get better grades, or get a snack to fuel your brain. You can also reward yourself for each 45 minutes of productive work by doing something that you enjoy. Besides, breaking up the monotony of studying will help you focus. 7. Consider studying together with your fellow students. Sometimes, group studying can help the members of the group motivate each other and be more productive. If such style of studying suits you, then you can organize such groups or become a member of a group that already exists. You can get together for studying after classes or on weekends.